egg omelette curry. So which is what I have and is about tablespoon of chili powder. Yeah, chili powder, and we got 3 cups of the garlic. Yes, which is 3 cups of the garlic. That's all I need. Yeah, and what I need is cooking oil. Maybe this could be the olive oil. Yeah, or could it be coconut oil? Yeah. Yeah, coconut oil. Maybe I said today I use a coconut oil instead as any oil, or you could use as a vegetable oil. Yeah, and what I use is hang on a minute, my necklace come out undone. Okay, now this is what I do. What you need about is quite lean. Yeah, says two says vegetable oil or any is a cooking oil. Yeah, so this is just to not let any egg is stick on the pan. It's quite lean. Yeah, it's no. Okay, just like this. Yeah, and now I'm going to break 1 egg. Yeah, this is my lunch. Yeah, this is okay. This is 1 egg, and I'm going to beat a egg with fork. Use as a fork beat eggs. Let's turn this. Turn this. What is turn the heat on first. Yeah. Beat. We no season the moment. This is okay. It's a heat on. Okay. Right. Let's just heat on. Can you see it? Back up a little bit. Yeah. Back up a little bit. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Right. It's a beat this egg. Let this be in the heater first. But for time being, wait for this frying pan done. Let's crush the garlic. Yeah. Crush the garlic. And it's no need to be pure moment. Yeah. It's no need to be pure. Yeah. Because when you crush them, the peel by the way, okay, crush, bruise them to release the bruise them to release the sense of the garlic. Yeah, in Thailand always bruises the garlic. Yeah, when you gotta fry garlic oil, and then you go chop them, find a shop ready to go. Ready to go, and this is in a. So they release all this sweat, making this garlic sweat, yeah, like that. And then you go put in the leave on one side, yeah. Okay, there's a put over here, yeah. Put on the tray over here. That's what ingredient is. Ingredient is on this omelette curry, yeah. What I have is garlic, 3 cups of garlic, 1 tablespoon of this chili powder, and 3 lump of lemongrass, yeah, and calm leaf, yeah, calm leaf, yeah. So that is right. Now this is that's it be done. This is the keep beat to bubble, yeah. Egg, 1 egg only. Yes, like that, yeah. Okay. And the whole is a half oil. It's subtotal which is about 4 oil, yeah, 4 tablespoon oil for all these ingredients. So you do like that, yeah, yeah. I hold it to have oil, yeah. Omelette curry. Okay, look, yeah, yeah. Right. Let's just remove the egg. Was a curry on top, but this is a there you are. Just like a pancake, isn't it? Right. Okay. The earlier I prepare that. There's some tongue. Yeah. This is omelette. Yeah. Look. Yeah. And I'm going to take this out over here. And like this, yeah. Dab the oil out, yeah. Okay, here we go. Right. Now, tip one side. Now, I'm going to add the coconut oil. Again, coconut oil, about 2 spoons. 1. Okay, put the 3 spoons, yeah. 3, 2. Okay, 3. Okay, that's 3 spoons, yeah? Right, put this away. Right, and now I'm going to put the garlic. Yes, I'm going to put the garlic in here. There you are. Okay, put some fan on. Yeah, okay. And go together. Put the chili, this one, scissor, palm leaf, yeah, there, and pop in this, yeah, and then, yeah, right, okay, now I'm going to put the oil in. Let's turn the heat down. Medium heat now. Turn it's up to high heat and then turn this to medium heat down. Turn it down to this medium macro, yeah. The heat macro. I'll put the chili powder. Yeah. Chili powder. And I put those a little bit in pieces, half a teaspoon of sugar, yeah, and half a teaspoon of salt. Maybe quarter, not half a teaspoon. Okay, put that, right? And so that is, like, and this is and a quarter of the water, about this 4 tablespoons of the water, yeah, drinking water, yeah. But before you put it in it, let it fry this on first, yeah. Fry this, make sure they're combined, yeah. So salt in already, yeah. Sugar in already, yeah. It's caramel that means look, yeah. And then put a little drop, tiny little drop water, Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Move one side. Let me do it. Move one side. And I'm going to put the a little dash of cap. Excuse me. Okay, there's a little winkle a little bit. About half a teaspoon vinegar, white vinegar. Gonna be white vinegar. Or one stroke of the spring onion. Wash first. Clean them. Clean well, because you don't know what that the spray look. When you cut like this, angle like that. Okay, here we go. This. Right. And this. Okay, we're going to have an omelette, yeah? Omelette. Some, turn this heat off. Okay. It's an omelette. Omelette pancake, yeah? And that. And then, and stays. Maybe Lisa put a little bit more drop of water. Yeah, to have a liquid. Yeah, this is look, and can you see it? Right. So if you're boring, it's a get fed up with this all this what is it? Omelette, plain omelette. So that's what we're gonna have. Yeah. That's it. Serve with the rice. Yeah. There you are. Okay, here we go. That is a lunch, yeah. It's lunch, yeah. That is. Or when you eat, just remove there's the lemongrass, lime leaf. But to me, I add them. I chew them. So that's what the omelette carry, yeah. Omelette pancake carry, yeah, for me, yeah. So for the day today. Well, however, that is a little tip for my lunch, yeah, quick lunch. So it's about 3 minutes, yeah. So that is, and I see you next one. This is a Janta recipe. Welcome to come back again for this lockdown, and enjoy your lunch. Yeah. This is have a lunch, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and it will be useful. You like that, yeah. Just give a thumb and click a like, yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye now.